Hey, what's outside?
Snow.
Oh yeah. Oh, you look nice and cozy.
And I'm cozy too,
You do look cozy too.
Yeah.
It's a snow day. Oh yeah. Well, it's not officially a snow day. It's a Sunday snowy day. And it's the first snowy day in like what, 2, 3 years, something like that, like a really good one. So we are just chilling today. Gonna go outside at some point. Gonna make some chicken noodle soup tonight. But yeah, join us for just a nice chill.
And we are too.
Yeah, we are too. Yeah, join us for a little snowy Sunday in New England.
And we are. And that's it.
What do you think, Beanie Boy? You got the tripod? Yeah. Can't really see it, but something walked through our yard last night. It's either I don't know. Those are like really far away. Yeah, because it was on the sidewalk. Let's investigate. More.
More. Go with it.
It's not working.
How does that?
Oh, sorry.
Rude.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Let's go.
No.
Wait, there's my pen.
You don't like it?
I don't want that.
My pen? That's right. Red.
Red.
Wait, under my pen. Onion.
Wow.
Good job. Oh, you got a blueberry?
Oh, buddy.
So we're getting ready to go outside. We didn't plan accordingly, though. We are currently searching for all of the winter attire for both boys. We have a lot of stuff scattered everywhere, so trying to figure this out, but we will. It'll be okay. See, the problem's not like we found a pair of boots. Is it the right size? Not really. Found a jacket. Is it the right size? Not really. But there's another one somewhere, so we'll figure it out. And then we'll go have fun. Got a little fit check. Got my black strike jacket. Don't even know where I got this. Brown boots. Nice. See beanie. Look at this fit. You look cute. Dude, you're falling asleep sitting up. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is nice and cozy.
Colby looking good. Oh yeah, someone's ready for snow.
You're just gonna fall over.
Let's go play in the snow. Let's do this.
Yeah. Let's go do that.
Oh yeah. Ah, look at the snowman. Wow.
Snow fight.
Snowball fight. Whoa. Put your head back. All the way. Push it back.
I can't. How about you try that? How about you try?
Do you want to take a video of Dada doing it?
Yeah.
Here, you hold that.
Okay. I'll hold your phone. Go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dada. Dada, I don't want me.
You ready?
I'm so big. I'm so big.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Woo!
New land speed record.
Woo!
Mama needs to try it.
Whoa! Yay! Did he make a little? You want to go inside now? All right, I did my one run. Okay. Ready? Woo! Yay!
So as you can see, I'm a little rosy. Just got back in from cleaning up all the snow, sledding, making snowman, making snow angels. It was a good time. But now, I'm gonna eat some leftover Chinese food. Everyone else is either sleeping or chilling. It's a snow day. Doki. Yeah, you like it? Banana. It looks like soup. Grubby boy. See the verdict. I feel like I'm gonna burn my mouth.
Give it a little blow.
It's good.
It's good.
Chicken noodle soup.
I know.
Oh, I like it. It is more flavorful than I expected. Nice. Good stuff. How was your day?
So relaxing.
Yeah.
You did a lot of work.
I did a lot of work today, but it was good. It was good. I feel like the snow is a good excuse to either do nothing or like get a few things done. it felt good to get a few things done. We had like a ton of.
Go, you guys go out.
Let's see you go outside. So yeah, nice little Sunday, snowy Sunday. It's been a while since we've done a vlog.
We haven't vlogged. It's just a busy time of year.
Yep. Yeah, and especially with the boys, sometimes, you know, the holidays, you got to pick your battles, and sometimes carrying a camera around ain't the battle to pick.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was a good day. Hopefully we get a few more snowstorms, ideally on weekends again, because that worked out really well.
I know.
Had some fun out there, and yeah, chicken noodle soup was good.
Yeah, I'm full.
Yep, same. All right, well, see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye.